guys, it's Alaya. Welcome back to our channel. Before I jump right into the video, I did get a made-to-move Barbie. I'll be using this as my new Alaya. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY flower crown for your dolls. So, here's how you make it. What you'll need is some twine. This will be the base of the flower crown. If you don't have twine, you can always use some other kind of string, or you can use twisted pieces of green paper. You'll need some scissors and some flowers. For the glue, you can use a hot glue gun or you can use tacky glue. First, start by measuring the string around the doll's head. Then cut where needed. Ensure that the string is a little larger than the doll's head, so then it can still come off and on. Now we can glue both of the sides together. Then glue on the flowers. To make the flowers a little easier to work with, we can take the flowers off the stem. Be sure to space the flowers before you put them on. We add some beads for details. Then you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another Summer Alaya DIY.